Welcome to my channel Passion Food and Health. Today we are discussing the benefits of beetroots, the surprising health benefits of beetroot. Number one, rich in nutrients. Beetroot is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, potassium, and vitamin C. The number two, heart health. Beetroot, the nitrates in beetroot may help lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. The blood pressure is nowadays is very burning disease of today times. Use beetroot or beetroot juice to reduce blood pressure. Next is improved exercise performance. The nitrates can enhance oxygen utilization during exercise, potentially boosting stamina and performance. Use beetroot on daily basis in salads in juice form. Number four, antioxidant properties. Beetroot contain antioxidants like betalains, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Next is brain function. Beetroot. Some studies suggested that the nitrates in beetroot may benefit cognitive functions by promoting blood flow to the brain. Cognitive constructive function in the brain. Next is digestive health. The fiber content in beetroot promote digestive regularity and may support a healthy gut. The next, but last but not least, detoxification, a removal of harmful chemicals. Beetroot aids in liver detoxification, assisting the body in eliminating toxins. Very beneficial superfood, beetroot. Next is anti-inflammatory effects. The betalains in the beetroot have anti-inflammatory properties that may contribute to overall health. Beetroot and their surprising health benefits. Today we are discussing use beetroot on daily basis and watch my channel Passion Food and Health. Thank you very much.